Hey guys, how is it going? This lockdown has made us miss traveling a lot, especially Bali. So I had this idea to make Bali Chicken Satay or Bali Chicken Lilit, whichever you call it. Okay, and this chicken you wrap around lemongrass. Please put on gloves, because there's turmeric inside. You don't want to have yellow hands, right? So there you go. This is how it looks like. Okay, it's done. So now you leave it in the fridge for an hour or more. Okay, or you can leave it in the freezer to use it at a later time.
Hey guys, if you like this home cooking, please like and share this video and page. See ya!